Hey guys, Mark the Chef here, and we're back in the kitchen with Parker. He's a local chef from Rosie Baby, and today we're cooking tri-tip. So, have you ever cooked a tri-tip before?
No, I have not. I've never even heard of this kind of beef before.
Mr. Scott just dropped this off a few minutes ago, and he described it as the first cousin picanha. Picanha is on the top of the sirloin, tri-tip is on the bottom of the sirloin. This is a little leaner, but it's gonna be really beefy and really tender. So I'm gonna walk you through how I like to cook it, and the first step is to score and season it. Okay, Parker, you scored and seasoned it. Now we're gonna put it in a hot pan, let it cook 5 to 7 minutes on each side until it's formed a beautiful crust. Then we're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 25 minutes or until it's medium rare.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, Parker, we cooked it in the oven for about 20 minutes. We added some onions and some andouille sausage before we put it in there. It's done, and I'm ready to try it. Well, that's what we're looking for.
Wow, it looks great. That's a great color right there.
Yeah, perfect medium rare. Okay, Parker, we plated it up. We made a little bit of pan sauce with that red wine and the pan drippings. I say let's try it. That is so incredibly beefy, especially that top fat cap. It got crispy, brought a nice texture difference and a beautiful flavor. It's affordable, it can easily feed 4 people, it's juicy, it's tender, it's everything I'm looking for in a steak. So Parker, thanks for coming out. I really enjoyed it, and you made an amazing tri-tip.
All right, man, appreciate it. We absolutely killed it on this one. Hope to be back soon.